Okay, so, we're back here. It's really pretty. We just came from over there. I don't know if you can see it, because, I can't see my phone. I held it really high. And so we are going to be walking around this construction site. Okay, so we're hearing gunshots now, and it's freaky. And we're really not supposed to be here, and we're kind of lost. So we're gonna climb all the way up there. And so, yeah. Okay, she's gonna climb up. Okay. Come on. You're so smart.
Oh, my shoes are clean.
They look brown.
They both.
Fudge almost fell. So, yeah, I decided I'd bring some scissors because, we were traveling in the woods. So, yeah. Fun footing.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna fall. There's dust all over my phone.
If I fell, I might die.
Probably. It's so pretty. Woo!
I don't know what kind of track that is, but kind of looks like a deer. It's messed up. Yep. So where are we headed?
Let me get the bag.
By the way, we started hold on just a second. We started past that dump truck, whatever it's called, I don't know. We started past all of those, I'm done. Past all those trees. We were in those trees back there, and we've made it all the way up this hill, all the way up that hill, which we just came down. But still, yeah, goals. Look how tall our legs are.
Look how tall.
Look at them.
No, not.
We've been wanting to look at this stuff for a long time, so now's our chance. Some pieces of wood, some metal.
Can you take pictures and stuff? Where's the camera?
We heard something in the woods, and now we're pretty scared for our lives.
Is it good over there? Do you want to?